Welcome. This is my first tutorial video on YouTube. I will introduce today for beginners about guitar. I have three guitars. First, I have a acoustic guitar. It's made by wood. And in this guitar, first is the top. It's called top. You can see it's a top, and there are some tuners. It's called pegs. While you're playing guitar, you need to tune this guitar. It's called fretboard. You can see there parts: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, second. Here are 21 parts, and there are some dots here. It's called positions: third, fifth, seventh, 9, 12, and it's called body. This is called bridge, and it's called hole. While you are playing guitar, the sounds coming through this from the hole. The sound like this. In acoustic guitar, Spanish guitar, there are 6 strings here. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Sixth string name is E, A, B, G, B, E. Acoustic guitar, you don't need any electric. You can play anywhere because it's totally made by wood. Second, it's a electric guitar. First guitar is acoustic guitar and second is electric guitar. The difference between acoustic guitar and electric guitar, you need electric to play this guitar. And my first guitar is acoustic Yamaha Regal Thin Line. You can bring any market. It's a very cheap priced, and it's Fender company, one of the famous guitar all around the world, and the model is Square Bullet Strat. So it's a similar acoustic guitar and electric guitar, but it's guitar played by actually professional musicians who already compose the music, even also who are professionals play the guitar. So first it's also top. You can see the top, some tuners, and there are some same things from acoustic guitar. But one thing different between acoustic guitar and electric guitar, you can see there's some pickup. When you're playing guitar, the sound it's catched by this pickup, and it's go through this wire, and you can see there some tuners, volumes, and there are 5 tune band, and it's called tremolo. Someone's call is vibrator, and someone's call is blender. I'm just going to show this guitar how to play its work. Third, is a bass guitar. Bass guitar, acoustic guitar, and electric guitar. 3 guitars are different. Actually, bass guitar played by hand, and acoustic guitar and electric, while you're playing, you need this plectrum. It's called plectrum. While you're playing the acoustic guitar and electric guitar, you need plectrum. But bass guitar, the difference is you can see there are only 4 string. Same thing, top, fret, here also 20 fret. The position is same: third, fifth, seventh, 9, and 12. And it's also electric bass guitar. and the fret is too long. You can see the fretboard is too long, and 4 string. E, A, D, G. Actually, bass. When we're listening songs, we need some bass because we like the bass while we're playing any, listening any songs. So bass guitar played by 4 fingers, as like it.